Hi Ravi, good afternoon.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon.
How are you,
Good
Ravi?
afternoon, Ravi.
Good. And you?
Great, great. By your grace.
No. God grace is there, man. Why my grace?
I think you are my God.
No. Don't give this place. Okay, I'm not. So just actually, I'm giving like guidance. That's it. God is different. Why you are comparing any human with
Recording
God?
is going on, Ravi.
Yes. Why you are comparing any human to God?
Yeah, just
Clients. Then we will implement one big projects now. So intra communication, we started our discussion on what intra communication, right? So again, intra communication. In microservices, right? So okay guys, so to communicate one microservices to another microservices, right? So we seen that, right? So from the discovery server, what we need to fetch the record whom we want to connect, right? So all microservices information will store in the Eureka server, right? Sorry, Eureka server, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi.
yeah. So good. So to fetching those record, we need what? Some clients, right? We need what? Some clients, right? So what is that? What is the client? Anyone can tell? Last time I given, guys. Clients, we need what? Those clients, right? What is that? For a discovery client, right?
Yes, discovery client.
Discovery client, nothing but what? Legacy client. Legacy client, right? Another one is what? B is what? Load balancer.
Load balancer.
Load balancer client. Load balancer client, right? Another one more client is there, what? And one more client is what? Fin client, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Fin client. This is the mostly usage is there in real time, guys. Okay, most usage is there fin client only, right? So now, but first what we will do it now? First we will start, what is that? First we will understand this discovery client only, right? First we will understand discovery client, then we will understand what? Then we will understand what? Load balancer client. Then we will start working on what? Fin client. Clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi. Clear.
okay, so now let's understand, guys. Let's understand what is that. So this is what? Just normal monolithic application. Whenever our application is there in what? Monolithic model, right? So monolithic application, right? Applications are just assume that one side is what? Consumer is there, right? Consumer.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir. Consumer side policy.
Consumer and what? Consumer and provider is there, right? Producer, right? Producer is there. Good. So here what is that? Just assume that, right? If consumer want to consume the services from the producer, right? Producer, if a consumer want the services to consume from the producer, so what we need? It's in this one will make the request to whom? This one will make the request to whom? This consumer, consumer, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So same way, so assume that both consumer and producer is there. Here what is that? One micro project, microservices project, and producer also what? One microservices project is there, right?
Yes.
So okay, so here what? Here this one will become what? Just producer we will make, what is that? This is the child application, and this one will be parent application, right?
Parent application.
Parent application. So if this parent application want to interact with what? Want to interact with what? Consumer application, right? Producer application, sorry. So what is that? Has a relation, we will stable, right? Come on. So just
Yes.
normally what I'm going to do now, the same application I'm going to convert, right? Just what is that? If we want to convert this what? If we want to convert this monolithic application in what? Microservices application. So let's see that how the design will be now, guys. Okay, observe it, focus on carefully, right? Because based on that basic things is going on now, this basic things only. See boss, fundamental never change. Every time I'm saying, right, fundamental. If you are questioning on basic things also, or if you guys are what, just normally if you are listening, then the things will not work. Okay, so without fundamental, if you think about that constructing the building, there is no possibility, guys. Okay, so the what is that? First, every time I'm saying without ABCD we can't write apple, right? So learn first what? ABCD. So here what? In microservices basic concept is going on. If anyone losing this concept, right, so forget about to understand microservices, guys. Okay, so this is my challenge also, right? Even I'm saying that if, because here the people are experienced already, no need to say every time please, right? So focus on this area, guys. Okay, this is the too much useful and current market trending now. Microservices, if you have the experience on microservices, or if you have the knowledge in microservices, your what? IT career is good, guys. Okay, your IT career is good. So because of that, just in a single day nothing will come. I'm only saying that, okay, spend some time with what? Technology, learn that, and what? Build your career. If we, because of you only, your whole family will be happy if money will come in your home, right? So just only one things, guys. Here I'm delivering good subjects, just focus on it in this one, right? No need to learn anywhere microservices based on this this subject, guys. Okay, based on this subject, no need to learn anywhere microservices. It's challenge. Even if you pay that, it's my challenge. Only one things, guys. Okay, just one time learn here, okay, and other place, go to other place also, pay the money. After then you will not sit 3 to 4 day also. Just you will say that I know these things, and you are making that what? Too much lengthy, I don't want to learn, like that you will say. It's my challenge only, right?
Yeah, I know.
I believe in you.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, I know that, because I'm delivering like that subject only, right? I made the subject, too much easy. And how the subject will become easy? When you will
Yes.
expend some time with what? Technology, right? When you are just
Yes, sir.
just think about that. See boss, just fun example I'm giving, right? Don't worry about that. Don't judge me based on this example, right? Just assume that one girl is one boy is seeing one girl, right? So just by seeing that boy saying that, hey, she is so much beautiful, right? And I want to fall in her love, right? So what is that? Until unless just by seeing every day boy is seeing her, right, nothing will get right. When something will happen, when boy will start to
Then he will
communicate,
propose.
when the boy will start to communicating with her, correct?
Yeah. You need to talk with her every day.
So same like what is there in career also? Learn the technology. If you want to spend some time with technology, then technology will come. Then the everything will come to you. Okay, so first learn the technology, then girl also will come. Okay, so
Yes,
yeah, I'm not pointing the boy and girl both side. Okay, girls also, if the nowadays, if girl are thinking, okay, girls also searching that kind of girl, boy only, right? Boy also searching that kind of a girl only, who is the independent, right?
Ravi.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Yeah,
Ravi.
that's true.
Yeah, so now let's start the session, guys. Okay, let's start the session. And so just what is that? I'm converting the same things. Okay, I'm converting the how the model will be look like, how the model look like if we convert these things in what? If we convert these things in what? Microservices, guys. If we convert these things in microservices, how the things will look like. Okay, so just assume that here what? Consumer service, just what? this is the one services and this is the another services, right? This is the another services. Two services is there. So one services want
Yes,
to
sir.
communicate, right? One services want to communicate with another services. So for that what? So for so for that, so if and assume that both are the only one project part, right? Both are the only one project part, right? But what is that? Both are the different and both want to communicate each other. So just assume that I'm giving what is that microservices design, guys. Okay, microservices intra communication design. Okay, so okay, good. So here what? Just assume that this is what what our what producer services, right? This is what our producer services and what this is
Consumer service.
Consumer services.
I need what more spaces, guys, so I'm converting that one here only, or take this one here because need good. Okay, so I'm converting this one in a microservices architecture, guys. Focus on this area, right? So here what? So this is what our consumer application. This is what producer application, right? This is what producer application, and this one is what? This one is what? Consumer application. Good. So this is what? Consumer application, right? So both are the what? Application project. Both are the what? This is what? this is what? Consumer services. Assume that this is what? Producer services, right? This is what? This is producer services. This is producer services, and this one is what? Consumer services, right? This is what? Consumer services.
Yes, Ravi.
This is consumer services. Good. So okay, so now, so but what is that? But one more person will be there. Who is that? Where that both microservices information will be stored now, guys? Where both information will be stored? Eureka server. Very good, very good. Okay, so where? Yeah, so Eureka
Yes,
server. Eureka server, right? So in the Eureka server, right, what will happen now? Both what is that? Project will be register, right? Both project will be register.
Eureka server.
Yeah, both what? Both microservices what? Information we will place, right? Yeah, register.
Yes.
So register, right? Here this microservices also will be register what? In Eureka server. Eureka server, right? So both. So in the normally what kind of information will be there now, guys? So service ID, instance ID, as well as what? Port number, as well as what? Port number, load balancer factor, plus what? Host what is the host, right? What is the port? All information, all details will store inside that what? Inside that what? Eureka server, right?
Eureka server.
All microservices, because what? Don't think about that. Every application is running in what? Only one server, right? Every application is running in what? Only one server. This microservices is running in what? Another server, and this microservices is running in what? Another server. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi. Yes.
So good. So here what? So but what? This consumer, right? Consumer need to what? But what this consumer want, right? 1 minute, guys. The saving is going. Yeah. 1 minute. My system is hanging now. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So here what? This what? This microservices want to communicate. This microservices want to communicate what? This microservices, but what? Directly directly this microservices will not communicate. What we need first, need what? This microservices need information about this what? Information about this microservices.
Microservices.
So
Microservices.
where this microservices detail is stored now, guys? Where this in
Eureka
microservices?
server.
In the Eureka server. So what will
Eureka
happen
server.
now? So this microservices need one consumer, right? Client, which client will what? Communicate with what? Eureka server, and this Eureka find the Eureka from the Eureka server all details about what? This microservices, and what? That detail will return to this microservices, right? That detail,
Yes, Ravi. Correct, Ravi.
that detail what? Return to this microservices. Then what is that? From here what? This microservices URI will get, right? Plus here we will add what? Path, plus what? We need one more client like REST template client. Just assume that. Then that micro REST template, REST template what? Client will need what? To communicate this microservices. Then the REST template will make the what? Request to this client, and what is that? That producer result will get what? Here. Clear, guys?
Clear, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Clear picture.
Okay, so now don't worry, still I will make this one as what? Too much easy, guys. Okay, too much easy. So good. So here what? One more minimum, if you want to develop what? One microservices project, one microservices application, guys, minimum 3 project need minimum 3 project need. Okay, just focus on this area now. Okay, so good. So here what? Just assume that here we are taking one more what? One more project, right? So that one consumer, right? So which one will communicate with what? Eureka server. So here what we need? What we need? Consumer REST controller. We need what? Consumer REST controller, right? So this consumer REST controller, 1 minute, let's reduce the size of letter. Good. Okay, so REST consumer, right? We need what? REST consumer. So the REST consumer will what? Call one client. This REST consumer will call what? One client, right? That client, just we are going to use what is that? The client to communicate with what? To fetch the details from the Eureka, right? So one client needs. So just we are going to use what is that? Discovery client, guys. Okay, just we are going to use what? Discovery client, right?
Discovery.
So
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
okay, so here what? This REST need what? This REST need what? One client, right? One client. Just I'm taking here client. One client, right? One client. Let's take one client. We will write one client code, right? So then what will happen now? This client will make the request to whom? This client will not make the request to whom? Direct producer, guys. Okay, this client will not make the request to whom? Between what is that? Consumer REST controller to this client has a relation will be there. Don't worry, one more diagram I will clear, guys. Okay, but the base, see this diagram, because every diagram is important, right? Important, because of that I'm explaining this one. So now he see this. So this client will make the request, right? This client will make the request to whom? To whom? Discovery what? Eureka server, right? So from the Eureka server what? So whenever this one will make the what? Request, that one is called what? That one is called what? Find. What is the based on that? What is that? Service ID, right? This one will what? This what? This client will make the request using what? Service ID. Using what? Service ID. This one will make the request. After then what? Whenever request will come to what? Eureka server, then what is that? Based on this ID, what Eureka server will return now, guys? What this Eureka server will return? Data. What is that? What this Eureka server will return? Come
Data.
on, data.
Data.
Data. That data is nothing but, in the terminology of microservices, what we are saying now, guys? Service instance. Come on, yaar.
Yes, Ravi, sir,
Yes,
service instance.
So that information is nothing but what, guys? What is that? Service instance. Clear?
service instance. Yes, Ravi.
Service
Clear, Ravi.
service
Last weekend
instance.
we have created one instance also.
That is nothing but what? Service instance, right? So good. So okay, good. After then what? Whenever we are getting that, then we are getting the URI of what? URI of what? This microservices, guys. Okay, this microservices. So this client again, then what? This client will return now. We are getting the all information from what? Eureka server. Now we have need to prepare what? We have need to prepare what? URL about the URL. URI we will get what from the Eureka server, right? So just a combination of just what we, let's understand one time what is that. Just what is that? HTTP colon localhost, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Localhost, just what is that? With port number 25 I'm giving, right? This is, guys, what? This is what? URI. This is URI. If we are giving what? If we are giving what? If we are giving what? One particular application, just what is that? Product. I'm giving what? Product. Just I'm giving what? One more. So the both combination is called what? URI. This is what? Path, right? This is the path, right? This is what? Path, and this is what? URI. Combination of what? Path plus what? URI is nothing but what? URL. Clear?
URI.
The
Yes, Ravi, clear,
combination,
Ravi. Yes.
the combination of path plus what? URI. This is what? URI. URI. The combination of what? Path plus what? URI is nothing but what? URL.
URI.
Clear? If anybody
Yes,
is
sir.
asking what is the
Clear, Ravi.
difference, right? So the whole, right? Whole, if we are fetching the particular resources from the server, that is nothing but what? We need what? To clear URL, right? Clear URL, then we can reach on that API na, on that resources na. So that is nothing but what? This is what?
Yes, Ravi.
Our rest level path. This is what? Just assume that this is the class level path, and just so method means what? We are calling the get method. We are calling the get
Method level.
method. So
Yes, sir.
method level, this is the method level path, as well as what? This is the class level path plus what? This is
Last
the,
level path. Yes.
this is in which our project is running, the
URI.
port number plus what is that? This is the IP address. Come on, here local host we are
Yes,
using
Ravi.
because in the machine, right? But real time, this is the here IP address will be there, not local host, guys. So the
Yes, Ravi.
combination,
Yes,
so similar way. So this URI we will get from the Eureka server, right? This URI we will get from the Eureka server. And what is that? At the time of developing our product producer services, whatever is specific, we will specify path plus path combination. Here we will get what? URI plus what? URI plus what? Path combination. We will specify. Then what is that? We will put in the REST controller. This path, right? URI we will place in the REST controller, and then our REST controller will make the request. Our REST controller will make the request to whom? Request to whom? Request to whom, guys? Producer services. Yeah, producer services, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So in the producer services, just assume that this is our what? Producer REST. Producer REST controller. Producer REST controller. So okay, so this one will make the request to whom? This producer REST controller now, guys. Okay, so then this services will execute. This services will execute, and then after then what? The processing will return, right? Means what? Result will return, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Then the result will return to again this client, and this client first, what is that? This controller, our what? out services also will be there. Still I'm not gateway, all those things still I'm not introducing, guys. Okay, introducing. Of course the services will come from the outside also, but what is that in the real time? What is that one project? If this consumer want to communicate this consumer, right? Sorry, producer. So for that I'm developing. This is nothing but what? Intra communication. This is nothing but what? In the same project, right? If the multiple module is communicating each other using what? Using what? Eureka server. Using what? Eureka server. With the help of Eureka server. That is nothing but what? Intra communication. So after
Yes,
then
Ravi.
what? After then what? This one will return. What is that? This one will return to whom? What is this? Okay, no problem. So of course the request will come from the outside. Okay, so here what is that? Just assume that our gateway API gateway will be there, and the request here different client, mobile client, Angular client, as well as what? Another different client will be there, guys. So I'm not talking about this area. Still I'm not talking about this area. Just focus on this area. Whenever we will grow in what? Our session, then we will learn those things. Okay, so but still we have need to prepare what? Basic things now. So because of that I'm explaining this one, right? So good. So now, okay, so here what is that? Here the our client, right? Our what? Client, right? Is nothing but what? Discovery client. Discovery client will what? Prepare the URL, right? URL. And what we need? What? One more client. That client is nothing but what? We will use what? REST template only. REST template only. We will use what? REST template, right? We will use what? REST template, and using the REST template we will make the request, right? We will make the request, and what? We will make the request and we will get the response. We will get the response now, guys. Okay, so good. So but what is that? Just let's prepare one small project, guys. Okay, let's prepare one small project, and we will see that as a practically. Now everyone is ready to see that one, guys. Use the chat
Sure,
box.
Ravi, yes.
Use the chat
Yes,
box.
Ravi.
Hey, Padma
Yes,
is
Ravi.
there or not
Right,
in our
we can
session?
prepare a small project.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, now you are understanding
Okay,
our
okay.
explanation.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, got it.
Okay, good. Good.
Okay, Amna.
Okay, good.
Understood.
Okay, so now here what is that? Again, let's I'm preparing that what? This diagram again, guys. Okay, based on our project only. So just assume that, right? So I'm taking what? Our monolithic application we completed in what? Whenever we are learning what? REST, right? REST, Spring Boot REST, right? At the time we prepared one mini project, right? One mini project. So product was there, employee we took. Okay, let's take our employee, right? So just monolithic design I'm giving here. What? Just I'm giving what? Monolithic design I'm giving. Okay, so monolithic design I'm giving. Okay, so monolithic application, right? So just normally what is that? Monolithic application. Our monolithic application is there. So here what? Our employee project is there. Employee project, employee application is there, right? Employee application has what? Profile, right? Profile. Come on.
Yeah, right.
Okay, good. So let's convert this monolithic project in what? Microservices architecture. First we will understand based on that microservices architecture, guys, then we will implement, right? I think this is the good
Yes.
idea, right? I think this is the good idea.
Yes, yes.
Correct, Ravi, correct.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
So
true.
yeah. Okay, so now what is that? See this here what? Here our what? Profile REST controller. First what we will develop it? First what we will develop now, guys? Profile.
Profile
Here what?
REST.
Yeah. So first we will develop what? Profile REST controller, guys. Okay. Profile what? Profile REST controller, right? This is running in what? This is running in what? Another server.
Another server.
Profile
Another is
REST controller.
REST controller.
Profile REST controller, right? So good. Okay. So this is what? Profile service, right? This is what? Profile services.
Profile services.
Profile service, right? So okay, good. So again, what is that? One more application is there, right? What is the application? What is the project name? Employee project. Employee project.
REST controller.
Yeah, employee project is there, right? So for then what we will develop now? What we will develop now? One more controller we will develop, right? One more controller we will develop, and that one is running in what? That one is running in what? Another server, right?
Another
Another server.
So okay, so good. So here what? Just assume that this is what? Employee services.
Employee services. Service.
Right? Employee service. Okay, good. So first what we will develop now, guys? First, what is that? Our development will start. What is that? Series.
Profile service.
So employee, here we will develop what? Here again in this server, guys. Okay, so employee REST controller.
Yes.
Employee REST controller. Good. So this with this employee REST controller, we will make that what? Has a relation with what? Again, no, sorry, again we will develop what? One more controller, right? One more profile REST controller, right? Profile REST controller, where what? Where our profile REST controller will make the has a relation with what? Has a relation with what? Discovery client, right? Has a relation with what? Discovery client, guys. Okay, discovery client.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So okay, fine. Now, so minimum 3 project need, guys. Okay, if we want to run one small application also in microservices, minimum three project we need. So good. So here what? Just assume that we are giving what? Profile services. One more controller we are taking, right? What is that? Profile REST controller. REST controller, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
REST controller. Just what is why I'm giving what? So to fetching the details, right? To fetching the details about what? Why I'm taking this controller? Why I'm taking this controller? To fetching the details about what? This REST controller from the Eureka server. From the Eureka server. So both microservices, where both microservices like what? Information will be there now in the Eureka server, right? In what? In Eureka server.
Yes.
Profile REST controller. Good. Okay, so here what? Discovery server will be there, right? Discovery server, nothing but what? Eureka server. Eureka server. Okay, good. So okay, fine guide. Okay, fine. So good. So just focus on this area now, guys. So here last time we seen that, right? So here what? Where that where that architecture. So in this architecture, whenever our client is making the request, that is what? Find by what is that? Service ID, right?
Service ID.
Right.
Okay, good. So this is what? This is what? One controller, right? This controller will what? Make the request to whom? What? This controller.
Eureka server.
This one will communicate. No, this controller will communicate with what? this controller. It
Profile
Profile responsible.
Yeah.
Profile
REST
responsible.
controller.
Okay, so fine. So this controller will make the request, right? This controller will make the request is nothing but this make the request to whom? Eureka server.
Yes, Ravi.
Whenever this what client here what here only discovery client will be there in this controller only. So okay guys, so this concept, this terminology is nothing but what? This terminology is nothing but what? Anyone can tell? Last time I explained, now anyone can tell? This is now finding, right? Finding. What is that? Find, right? This is nothing but what? Find. Based on which one here? What is that? Service ID now?
Yeah,
Yes,
service ID.
Service ID, right? Service ID. Good. So okay, fine. So after then what? Here from the here, right? Here, of course, multiple instances, only one, right? So here, oh, I forgot to publish it, right? So here what? This microservices will register to whom? Eureka server, right? And this microservices also will what?
Register with Eureka server.
Register with what?